Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling the platform tools so you can observe behavior. First, go to Settings, right arrow Accessibility, and turn on Talkback or the service you need. This lets you hear spoken feedback and expose focus issues. Once done, enable the accessibility shortcut and grant permissions so services run reliably. Make sure Android and the app are updated. Outdated frameworks often cause mismatches. Finally, close and reopen the app to reproduce the problem immediately so you can diagnose next. You now inspect elements and apply fixes. Run Accessibility Scanner and navigate with Talkback to locate unlabeled controls and focus traps. These tools show exactly why elements are skipped. Then add Content Description or Android, label for correct view traversal order, and ensure touch targets are at least 48 dp so users can tap reliably. Also address color contrast and avoid custom gestures that break standard navigation. Make one change at a time and retest immediately to confirm the behavior. You finish by validating and stabilizing the fixes. Run the accessibility test framework and Android lint to catch remaining code-level violations, then perform a full user test with Talkback and a keyboard to confirm real-world navigation. Once everything passes, rebuild and ship the update. If problems persist, make sure only one accessibility service runs at a time, disable aggressive battery optimizations and overlays, and verify runtime permissions. This single troubleshooting step resolves most mysterious failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.